I squirted on him.
Right. What's going on, everybody? Nowhere there on a magnet fishing video. And today I'm there with
great Jamaica walk by. Figure that?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by and
seal on tour, eating crawfish.
Yeah, so we are going to do a YouTube collab. You don't know, we go Pelican Bar, go find the treasure. Well, Pelican Bar is at Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth though.
That is it.
So you don't know me, I dig for treasure, dig for gold, anything I can find, you know. I take a look, I can see what going in the water and see what we can find.
Too many
I was there with everybody, you know.
YouTubers at the same time.
Oh, sorry.
No, but you're good,
no, I think it's cool. I like it. I like it. I fuck with it.
Alright, so what I get?
And I'm gonna break this tail. Oh.
Beer juice.
Oh, there we go.
That is it.
Mmm.
Spicy.
Mmm, yeah. It's got
Flavor.
that garlic, that salt, that spice. And you're still eating the poo-poo sack.
The what?
It's got the poo-poo sack. Or is
Poo-poo sack, you call it?
Or is that the vein?
Oh, that a fine black piece.
Is this the poo-poo sack?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, I don't know if they clean them. Well, no, it's
But you can't eat that in a crayfish.
Woo, good to see you we have. Yeah, people, so while we're there on the way to Pelican Bar, I just go and chat to Jamaica Walk By and Seal so they can know who them be on the YouTube channel and things. So starting off with Seal. Seal, tell me about yourself, tell the viewers about yourself and what you do on your channel.
Wagwan, okay. So the homies call me Seal and I do a lot of travel videos where I go around and I try to find adventures like this one where we're gonna go drink and we're gonna go to Pelican Bar.
Yeah.
That's basically what I do. I'm just a silly little traveler from Canada.
Yeah, well, to me, I'm not silly. Some crazy thing the man do. Some crazy things that we would never do. Yeah. Alright, so Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, you could know what's going on.
Yeah, cause you don't know a thing go. Alright, with the power we are here, see you saying. You know, Jamaica Walk By is all about talking to the people, them showcase the life in a Jamaica, walk up and down, drive all about the place. But mostly just walking on the street, them, some place on the now walk, you don't know if it preserve the culture and them thing that you don't know well I'm in general. And the whole of it upon a collaborative effort today. We worry some broader people right across the world. So we team up with Seal on tour and we have got Pelican Bar. And Pelican Bar and Nava little car. You know, those are the bar out in the sea. You understand? I've never personally been there before. So it's a big thing for me. I'm going to showcase what going over there. While now we'll go throw out in magnet to see if we can find some treasure beach. You understand?
Yeah.
That is this.
Alright, so yeah man, you can check out them page, Jamaica Walk By and Seal on tour. So watch out, oi! You toot the man and the man just decides to come right over.
Yeah. I don't know why nobody
I'm direction go in the nose and looking for going straight right. Anyways people, yeah, you don't know outside. I get active, we've been active. I get active, activate open the water even more. And see if I can go underneath the Pelican Bar itself. Hopefully under there not scary. And see if I can find any phone, no ring, no earring, no jewelry, anything at all I can find, anything at all I can call treasure for myself. Okay, don't know Treasure Beach I go. So we must can find treasure though.
That is
and
it.
if you dig for gold then you find gold. Alright. Alright people, so slightly bad news.
Yo, see some people, them go out there.
My metal detector,
Oh, so
the battery dead feet. The battery dead. And I completely forget to buy a next one while I'm at the Pamoya come here. So we can't go do no metal detecting. Eh?
oh shit, in the driver.
Gone already, shit.
And so tell us if you show them, make them buy one.
Yeah, so that battery are dead. Completely forget to buy a new one while I'm at the on the way. So push come to shove, probably can't do the metal detecting out there. But Captain Spark, Flash, Swift. I'm gonna try see if we can make somebody get one for you and thing. So we're going for that. Alright people, good news, we get a brand new battery to get started. So ready to move here now. Yeah. We can active up here now. Alright, that.
What is a fix now?
Alright, Alright, how are you that man? We're active.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
That's a good Jamaican name.
Oh, you're full of sun away. Are you lying down in the sun?
Alright, so we'll just jump on the boat or head out there now. Yeah, head out there now and get the day started. Which is right.
Oh, for the dog there.
Yeah.
I was picking the picture of the
So one, that's another bar. It is not called Pelican Bar, but it is a bar. That one is under construction right now, and we are not going to that one. The one that we are going to is over there. So when we reach closer, I'll show you. Where's the captain? We can walk up and down here, sir?
Yeah man, you can walk up and down. I'll go over the reef. I think I'm going to take you with me.
Alright.
Yeah man, I think I'm going to take you on the road.
Alright, so we have good news. We can walk. Because the water calm and shallow and nice today, which is good for us so they can see and we can find things. Yes sir?
I want the whole of them thing have to go on the TikTok with Miss and my name.
Alright, on TikTok.
The boat
Definitely.
Itself, and the boat itself.
Yeah.
Yes
I'll leave my shoes here?
Yeah man, yeah man.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
But then again too. What do you man name?
Seal.
Eh?
Seal.
Steel.
Seal.
Seal.
Yeah.
Like the animal.
Seal.
Arf, arf.
Seal. If you're going to walk, you have to put on your shoes.
Yeah, okay, you're going to need
rocks.
shoes.
Yeah, if you're going to walk, after when reaching the bar,
Yeah?
then if you want to walk around the reef.
Alright people, so we're reaching the Great Pelican Bar and the water is nice and shallow. Look at that. Yeah man, you definitely can find some treasure, you also find some things, so, you know? Yeah. Yeah, love the look. We are finally here. Alright, mad thing. So the captain there, I said to right. Yeah. Yeah, shallow, perfect man. Most can find more things just man. Alright, we are here. Alright people, we are here at Pelican Bar. Yeah. So I can't wait for jump in right now. We get started and see what we can find in the water. Yeah. See what we can find. Most can find. I don't know if I can find a phone because the gun is so visible. But I know most can find. I know most can find like jewelry such as ring, necklace, chain. And I know I find a whole for money. That is a must. Yes. But who knows, maybe find a phone, you know? Yeah. Look on for the next side real quick and see what I go on.
One love. You guys Jamaican?
Baby, I go and plug the thing, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, from America. I went to America for the first time the other day. It was excellent. Hey, I walk up and down around the place like I'm yard. Be a free AC out the door. Yeah, man, the AC free out the door. We love the AC, man. Yeah, so that's why I run come out there. Yeah, I want to experience some snow. Yeah, man, I want some ice.
Alright, so I think I'll go walk around real quick before we go in. Yeah. I need to up and get a thumbnail still, because I need a thumbnail ASAP. So I can, before the place get too dark or anything like that, I need a proper thumbnail. But yeah man, let's go and look at tour of the deck. And see if I can come all the way around one of them places and search for any treasure. Yeah. Last time I come here this new day, so but that is really cool. So this all this deck built up. Yeah. Well, can jump off when I saw. Yeah. Yeah people, alright, so that is it. I'm not going on a full tour at the Pelican Bar. I'm not going to go on a full tour at the bar because that's my job. That's a Fabian job. Jamaica walk by. So if you want to see a full entire tour, you go up on Jamaica walk by channel. Yeah. So I go and get myself prep and get started right away. Yeah.
Yeah, see you on tour.
Ottawa, okay.
Alright, so the music. That don't start loud. Alright people, so I don't know if I have a cut out a piece here, but I am out in the water right now. I'm about to get started. Baby, that's all for me. So I get started and now I see what I can find. If I can find a treasure. Now I go on the side and edit it and talk.
When I told you, when I was you, all I get is what's on.
Okay, I change for long. Be a shell.
Underneath the weapon going on.
Eh?
Underneath it.
Yeah, I got it.
Drop out and just.
Alright.
Give me the go.
Take it off. Hey guys.
Oh, yeah, bandit.
So it skim like this.
What is? Let me see what is. This is pure sand.
Yeah.
This is the type of sand under there.
A silt. Sand and silt together.
Sand and silt together.
That we do. 6 for them. I put that pocket.
Piece of metal.
Yeah, piece of metal. What is though? But I don't know what kind of ID this was. This a dual ID.
More valuable.
Yeah.
And you find a beach chain too.
Yeah, a chain. Don't over yet, but you know? You able to find a car, but you probably don't need it again.
Should be an interesting one.
dirt just so to the dirt mixed with the sand.
Yeah.
To feel tight, you know?
Feel tight out in here.
What is it? Oh, that's $10. It's a whole $10.
Oh.
That's all $10. See that? $5. What that? $20 and $5. $5.
See how that?
$5. So come find buddy. Yeah. All $5.
Shit.
I can't have this. What about this?
What is?
I can't have that door.
I don't know what is.
I'm gonna see for that. No. Oh, that's piece I can.
Oh.
I was so I chain it out. I don't know how to chain it.
We take our tablet to the.
I was say, yeah, we'll find a tablet. Alright, what do I see that? Yo, that's a pigger.
What is that? Blood clot! Pot cover!
A big pot cover to pot.
Gonna drop out of the kitchen.
Yeah.
That's the kitchen up there, so.
Yeah, the kitchen right over here.
Yeah.
So
Let me miss it.
yeah. So people,
Mad thing.
when they're right underneath the kitchen right now, the kitchen is right over here.
Alright, a Pelican Bar. Dutchy cover.
A spoon, what's it to that?
Find a spoon.
One spoon.
Take them out.
Big mermaid spoon. We'll find the next piece now. So what we do is a pot set we have. See that? What we done is a pot set, is a boat we are what we done. What happened that? I'm going to walk out and the kitchen for the other power. Look. I said, what I got for that, I didn't even realize.
It's our friend. No goal under there. I feel him too.
Yeah, man.
These are our treasures. Yo.
Yeah, views, man.
My thing. Yeah. Is that nice on me, you know? Over, sir.
Look again. $10.
Bombard.
I don't know what it is, some kind of washer, yeah. Alright. I will still use this properly though. The metal detector, but I use it still there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I dig up, right, let me do some try something. I want to make sure so I dig, I will take a scoop at the right place. So I take off this. I try to hold it in my hand.
Oh, you got your hand.
Shit. Yeah, why not up here?
You catch it?
No, I'm going to do it. Take off this.
Well, man with the metal detector. That's a screw.
Yeah.
So you don't know with the right underneath Pelican Bar. Bro, no one crab that up, sir.
Where?
It's a crab.
Oh, listen to that. Don't move.
What's a crab? There's a crab. Yes, so with the right underneath Pelican Bar right now. As Vogue, I do some magnet fishing. And magnet fishing. So you don't know magnet fishing Jamaica. Look what I go on. You find back the screw. So while I get blasting screw. But the man with the metal detector can't last no screw.
Can't last. Oh, you can last?
Yeah.
Oh, you can last so we can't find it now, we can't see it.
Look there. I want the can't see it, can't find it.
Yeah. So this time, as we see it up, I try to scoop and see if I can, you know?
That is it.
Go again.
So far I find one bowl of silver and base it. Yeah, and if there is water, go and deal with it. I go over that side.
Can't get for. But they don't owe me a float, sir. Because we are going to forget our healthy scoop.
It just a float up.
Yeah, we are float up, man. I'm going to try again. What's so obvious, sir? I just saw a big piece of screw. I just saw a big piece of screw, sir. Alright, so
watch me. Since we're underneath Pelican Bar, we have to search underneath Pelican Bar because I don't know what if people come here so them valuable. We'll probably drop through some of them screeches there and all of them things there. And them can't get it. Yeah. So we are going to try see if we can find or see if we can see anything at all probably there underneath the water. Because of the man with the magnet there. You see me? You like to catch it?
Oh, still reach.
Still.
We're still searching for the goal, you know?
Yeah, the Golden Treasure Beach.
Is that a ring off it, sir?
But I deep, I need to dig. Like we are dig too shallow.
Too shallow?
Yeah. But try again. Yeah, I guess a scoop it good bike. You see a scoop, try a scoop. That box that push more too. You know wait to my light in the water.
That sounds like some pirate thing, brother.
I'm going to try to scoop it. You have to put the wood for such a good scoop. But my body I push it from it, plus my body I float go up. So it's like, look at me if I go to old school with I just start flush it. Flush my hand. Yeah. And see if I can see what come up.
Cha-cha.
That's it. Now I'll give you a pepper scoop, you know? Because treasure dead, you know? The treasure dead, but I can't get a proper scoop under the sand for Yes, sir, pig off. Yeah, that, you can hear it?
Can't hear it.
You don't hear it? Put it, yes, sir.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. You hear that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Feel like it's
Yeah, school bit good, dog.
So that means it's still a ring off down there.
I go back there again. Yeah.
Again.
You hear it there? You can hear it though?
Yeah. Hear the bees. You think it's a good one now?
Yeah. Whatever you do, must come up though.
That's how it dead bees.
No, that could be though. Whatever in there, whatever the dog there, must come up this time. Treasure, where are you? What a gold ring, what a diamond ring. What a diamond ring. It's a shell. That's it? That's a shell. Alright. Let's see what I got in there. That gas is a fire. But dog, you can see the ring. Shell. Oh my, no, that could be. No, that could be.
Nothing.
No,
It's cold.
look at me, miss it. I'm gonna need to dig deeper. Fabian. Oh man, we must try that one here.
You bring the man dick with the rope.
Alright, so Fabian I get a try though. I'll see if it can pig off something. So you ate a pig off, but we don't, I go down there and try to scoop this so we eat a ring. Right, that's all? You ate a pig?
Yeah, not pig off, right? That's it.
Alright, I'll take a scoop now though. Okay, I'll scoop and move there and push you for this. And first I eat cut of the wire. Okay, I'll scoop it good period. Look at, we get our old money too. Okay, I'll scoop work, so fire next money also. Okay, I'll give a scoop it properly.
The ping down this one.
How is this?
Pot cover.
Pot cover look so?
Good idea if you're wild.
Yeah. Alright. We're still not, what's up for me? We're still not find the chain, we find chain. We're still not find the ring. Ring at the next thing we want to find.
The gold ring.
A gold ring. Yeah, but I go and look see him, you know? Yeah.
But you're not keep a souvenir them.
But we don't keep them. Have you a bag with me?
You keep the souvenir them. Think it is a bit. Yo, it's a big ass scrap. No crab there.
Oh, the crab, yeah. Oh, battery.
Battery.
Yeah. We're so far the charger. Next step closer, you know? Alright everybody, so I'm there to take a look at school, take a look at pause basically from metal detecting. I take a look at walk as you can see on the shadow, on the more shadow part. Here is a better view of the bar out in the water. It now looks around. Yeah, what, barefoot? Oh, the captain is forward with me. Yeah, people. It's a nice body of water, yeah. Yeah. So people, look at that. Pelican Bar over there. If you never come to Pelican Bar, you know, miss out. If you never come to Pelican Bar, you miss out. Me over here. Yeah, this bad, look on that. This would be a bad photo. Yeah. This would be a bad photo. Look at that. It's like you're there. You ever see them photo there with them there? Where you say find a conch? Alright, so I'm fine. The captain said I'm fine a conch. A live one. Oh, so him dead?
When the water come back over him,
Yeah.
he find himself or somewhere.
Oh, cause him body out there.
Yes, he pull him body out there.
Yeah, for real. Oh, so you don't have to stay alive, you have to stay like that.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
He alright. He alright right this one until the water come back over him, you know.
Yeah.
When the water come back over him, then
Okay.
yeah, man.
Alright, so that's a one. Okay, see there?
He live, man. Right. You see, me there me chopper now.
Yeah.
Me just chop it and look see it. Me see any pearl in him.
Oh, they have pearl too.
Yeah, man. I come their name.
Oh, you can put him a little deeper part so him can do it. Look like him care, see me? Huh?
Oh. So we call him blah blah.
Blah blah.
Yeah, man.
Look like plastic, you see man, watch it?
Yeah, man.
And jellyfish people.
Sometimes it's enough for them, you know.
It feel like plastic too. I think that one is also alive too though.
Yeah, man. Him alive.
Just that through the water there so. Him can't
But
move.
like tomorrow now, the water come back right over to him.
Oh, by tomorrow him good?
Yeah, by tomorrow this water come all back over him.
Okay.
And get to life again.
So, the sun too bright. But yeah man, see the bar there. I'll go back in and out to the bar and thing.
Just call and
Yeah, hold on. Tell them again.
When you want to come at the Pelican Bar to do things like this and to severe the place, you just call on Captain Swift.
Captain Swift, alright.
Phone number is 423-7561.
Yeah.
423-7561.
Alright.
Just call that number and you get to Captain Swift.
That is it. But always remember for walk with no shoes so you can walk for them place.
Yeah.
Only him alone know for walk, he has to be barefoot. Cause I'm used to it, I know it.
Born and grow night. All night I walk up and down night.
All the night in outer so I walk.
Yeah, man. I do fishing as well out here.
Yeah. Alright. So alright people, I go back on the bar now and I go show them what I find for the day. Others are actually hard for the metal detecting because I find the metal detector find the thing them, you know, but I forget it from out of the ground at the hard part because yes sir, the sun no loose. At least for yes sir, the sun no loose. It mixed with silt and sand. So I try to scoop it. It's hard to scoop it properly. You know, it come like a compact dirt. I try to scoop. So it's hard for you to scoop up things and things. I only want it on the surface. Only one up on the surface I can really get to. Yeah. But things there, man. We know some other things there under the water. Yeah, see me, huh? The one and only. How you go? How the name go?
Captain Swift.
Captain Swift. Yeah, him and him boat there, so. And being boat named Righteous King. Yeah. Alright.
When you're ready for the tour, check the captain.
Check the captain. Alright. So alright people, so this is everything I'm gonna find today. You'll find a rusty spoon, you don't know. You'll find a file, a chisel, whatever that be, screwdriver. You'll find, I think I have to go over the coal pot. And you'll find a Dutchy pot cover. Yeah. I'll find a nice piece of plate. When we're done, we can cook some food out in the water here. I'm going to find some other random things. Some of them I couldn't bring with me. Some of them I completely forget about them. That's why I'm packing. There are some things I'm packing. Oh, we find there. Domino, one washer, and I look for $5 here, so. Yeah. You can use it. Can you put it to use? Alright, so here on that. Yeah. Yeah, people, so we find all them things, you know, and more things. I see whole heap of chain the underneath the water. But we don't have to take them up. And it actually turns out it's kind of hard to do when I do yourself. I find Enough time the metal detector buzz off and things there. But we get it up from underneath the sand are the hard part. Because one thing, we just float in the water. As soon as we try to go underneath the water, we float come right back up. And then when I try to scoop, use the scoop and scoop up under there, it pushed me right back and my float go up top. Plus the sand is dense and compact. So it's hard for you to get a good scoop, as you can see in the video. Yeah. But you know, it was a good run, a good try, you know. Oh, it's a carving too, right there. Good job.
Yes, I mean, I remember, you know, it's a carving thing.
Oh.
It's what they use carve out people name over here.
Oh, so you want the sister?
Yeah, man, you know how long you just from me. I want me to see, Jano.
Yeah, that's the carving tool. Is I'm gonna dig up back from. I will find underneath the water. Yeah. See them? So we'll find pot cover, spoon, whatever, a grill, and a plate. Yeah. Yeah. So you don't know.